The Blaze Pro Portable Grill allows you to enjoy the same performance and quality of a full-size premium gas grill anywhere you want to take it or leave it. Blaze offers this portable grill in two versions: a standard commercial grade model, as well as a marine grade model, which is a really popular choice for coastal locations and a go-to grill for a day out on the water. Back at the house, it's even a great companion to your favorite charcoal grill or smoker, when you want a quick meal after work, or maybe an appetizer while your brisket finishes smoking. Let's take a look at what makes this such a great portable grill. The cooking area of the Blaze Pro Portable Grill measures 19.5 inches wide by 10.25 inches deep. The grids are heavy-duty 12mm thick stainless steel rods for maximum heat retention. They are closely spaced and hexagonal shaped, giving them more surface contact on the food you cook, making for a beautiful sear on steak or solid grill marks on something like burgers. Underneath the cooking grids, you'll find Blaze's perforated stainless steel flame tamer. The full width coverage of this flame tamer works well to even out and radiate the heat coming from the burner beneath. For heat retention and longevity, it's made out of 12-gauge thick stainless steel. Blaze's flame tamer shines when cooking something greasy like chicken wings. It radiates enough heat to crisp the skin without letting runaway fires burn your food. The flame tamer also provides plenty of surface area to turn drippings into delicious smoky flavor. Beneath the flame tamer of this grill, you'll find Blaze's heavy-duty cast stainless steel H-burner. The burner is lit by push-and-turn flamethrower ignition for a reliable start, and the burner is rated for 12,000 BTUs of cooking power. With the cooking grids, flame tamer, and burner on this grill, the cooking system sets itself apart compared to most portable grills. To keep an eye on your temperature, the Blaze Pro Portable has a hood-mounted thermometer. This grill has two side handles for easy lifting and two latches on the front of the grill which secure the lid shut when traveling. Together, these make the grill easy to carry wherever you want to take it. The Blaze Pro Portable Grill comes with a regulator hose that fits a standard 20-pound propane tank, as well as an adapter that makes the hose compatible with small 1-pound propane cylinders. I like that the regulator hose is long enough to get the tank out of the way to leave more room for prep space. For easy cleaning, the burner of the grill can be completely removed when needed, and there's a slide-out drip pan that can be removed from the left side of the unit. The grill rests on 4 solid feet, which have rubber pads to prevent it from scratching the surfaces you set it on. Now we'll perform the Xrf test on the Blaze Pro Portable Grill. The cooking grids, flame tamer, and burner all tested to be 304 stainless steel. The exterior tested to be 304 stainless steel on the standard commercial grade model and 316L stainless steel on the marine grade model. Blaze backs these portable grills with a limited lifetime warranty, so this could very well be the last portable grill you'll ever buy.